Hello and welcome to Selection Sathi. Today we will learn Java streams and I/O, file reading and writing, the streams API, Lambda Expressions, and collectors. These are modern Java features heavily tested in interviews. For file I/O, Java uses BufferedReader and BufferedWriter. BufferedReader wraps FileReader for efficient line-by-line reading. ReadLine returns one line or null at end of file. Always use try with resources, it automatically closes the file. BufferedWriter works similarly for writing. The Streams API introduced in Java 8 is a functional pipeline for collections. Stream converts a collection to a stream. Filter keeps elements that match a predicate. Map transforms each element. Streams are lazy, nothing runs until you call a terminal operation like collect or reduce. Lambda expressions are anonymous functions. Syntax parameters arrow expression. For a single expression, no return keyword needed. For multiple statements, use braces and return. Lambdas work with functional interfaces with exactly one abstract method. Collectors are terminal operations that gather stream results. toList collects into a list. toSet into a set. toMap creates a map from key and value functions. groupingBy groups elements by a classifier function. Joining concatenates strings with a delimiter. Reading a file with BufferedReader. Try with resources creates the reader. In a while loop, readLine returns each line or null at the end. Print each line. When the block exits, the file is automatically closed. No need for a finally block. Stream filter and map. List of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stream.filter n greater than 3 keeps 4 and 5. .map n times 2 doubles them to 8 and 10. .collect.toList gives the result list 8, 10. Reduce to sum. Nums stream.reduce with identity 0 and accumulator integer sum. Reduce starts with 0, adds each element 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Result is 15. The integer : sum is a method reference. Grouping with Collectors.toList. Names: Elise, Anna, Bob, Bela. Stream: collect with groupingBy n.carat0. This groups names by their first letter. Result: A maps to Elise and Anna, B maps to Bob and Bela. Key tips to remember. Always use try with resources for I/O operations. Streams are lazy, nothing executes until a terminal operation. Use method references like integer : sum for cleaner code. groupingBy is a powerful collector for data analysis in interviews. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.